Today I'm going to show you the best way to clean a glass table. I'm Chris, the glass guy, and on this channel we'll be talking about tips, tricks, and information on shower doors, windows, mirrors, and other topics to keep your house looking great. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and now to the video. We're going to start with a really dirty table. It's got fingerprints, smudges, crumbs, and other things on it, as you can see here. The first step you want to take in the process to clean your glass table is to spray a good amount of glass cleaner onto the glass surface. Most people go wrong here by not spraying enough to actually clean the surface. The second step in the process is you're going to want to take enough paper towels. I would normally say a normal size paper towel, 3 or 4 or 5 paper towels will be just fine. You're going to want to roll them up and you're going to want to wipe the surface vigorously. Unfortunately, there's no way to get around using good old elbow grease. A little tip I recommend: after you go over the table once with the paper towels, fluff the paper towels up and go over the table again. The paper towels will be a little damp, but it will help to take care of any other stains that are on the glass or any other fingerprints or sticky surfaces that may have just gotten moved around in the initial wipe down. After you're done wiping the table down, if there's any spots that you've missed or any spots that need a little extra attention, feel free to give another squirt of cleaner and re-wipe them down. You want to make sure everything's off the table at this point. And the third and final thing you'll want to do is to wipe down or buff your table with a clean microfiber cloth. This will help take care of any streaks and leave your table nice and clean. And now you can see that we have a nice clean table with no crumbs, no fingerprints, no sticky substances, and no smudges. If you enjoyed the video, we encourage you to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you get all of our latest content. And we'll see you in the next video.